Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a credit card to your Amazon account, both for the PC version and the mobile phone version. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am currently using the PC version on my web browser. However, the process is pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First and foremost, what you want to make sure is that you are actually logged into your account and that you're logged into your account. That's the only thing that you need to make sure of. And of course that you have a non-expired credit card and that you have a stable internet connection. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, once you make sure that everything is working up to spec, what you want to do is just hover over your accounts and lists, or just click on this button right here. You'll be taken to your account page, and yeah, you can just hover over this and click account, or just click on accounts and lists, and you will be brought to this screen. Once you are here, what you want to do is go into your payments. Once you are in your payments, you will see your payment methods, which you have listed, as well as Amazon gift cards and rewards and balances, which you can then add later. What you want to do rather is go into add a payment method, and once you click that, you will be able to choose from all of these options, whether it be FSA or HSA cards, credit or debit cards, Amazon store cards, Venmo, personal checking accounts, etc., etc. Really doesn't matter. However, we want to click on add a credit or debit card. If that's what you want to add, then what you want to do is enter the card number, which is on the not the first page, but the front face of your card, and then put the name on the card which you have listed at your bank. Select the expiration date, which you can also see on the front face, and on the back face of the card you will see the CVV/CVC code. That is the 3-digit code on the back of your card, and once you enter all of that, you might be asked to enter an address if you haven't already. If you have, just add your card, and your card will appear here in your wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.